morning, guys. So we are celebrating Valentine's Day part 2. I didn't even film when we had our breakfast in bed at home, but I will insert some clips and pictures now. That's what we did on the day of Valentine's Day. And so then, and also my grandmother came over too that evening, and we did a seafood boil with her for Valentine's Day. So today is Sunday, and we are headed to camping. Well, it's our version of camping, but we're going to the getaway house here in Atlanta, and it's 2 hours away. So we have this long drive to North Georgia, and I guess we'll show you guys everything when we get there. I'm really excited because actually I seen this on Instagram, and I was telling my boyfriend, I was like, I've been telling him I'm going to go camping for the longest. I had sent this to him, and then he surprised me with the booking. He had already booked it. So I've been so excited to head here because I did know about it a little early. He told me before Valentine's Day because he know that I want to like prepare and like get food and just be more prepared. So yeah, I will show y'all the house once we get there. Bye. You want to say hey? So we have a ride. So this is kind of like camping for us. It's in this little small box, but it's through the getaway. We seen this on Instagram actually, and it's called the Rosemary. And when you enter, you have a kitchen. Guess this is like a sink, and then you have the stove top with 2 owls. And they give you some little stuff that you have to pay for. But we bought our own snacks. And I guess like little equipment, pots and pans, cups. And here is the bed. It has one big nice window. And then here is the table for 2. And when you come into the right, this is the restroom. So here's the toilet and the shower. The shower is actually not that bad. And it seems really clean in here as well. And here's the outside area. It comes with the little like fire pit. And I guess this is the stuff to start it. So we're actually going to grill tonight as well. And as you can see, it's all these black dots that you see are other houses as well. So we are cooking dinner. This is a cowboy ribeye, and I did bring the iron skillet, the cast iron skillet, so we can cook it over the fire. So it is nighttime. We did not succeed on the fire.
I thought you weren't telling nobody.
You gonna tell them. So why do you think we didn't succeed on the fire?
Because of you.
I think I was doing a little bit too much, y'all. And like, I should have just chilled and let him start the fire. So I'm gonna drop some clips in.
You poured water on the wood.
No, I didn't. You told me you moved the wood.
The wood was moved, but you
whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna insert some clips of what it was supposed to be us cooking the steak and stuff outside, but we had to end up transferring everything inside. So I'm just glad it came out good at the last minute. As you guys can see the clips that I am about to drop in now. And yeah, so we're about to enjoy this lovely dinner and the beautiful setup because somebody is already eating. You ready? Yeah. All right. Good morning. So it is almost checkout time. We only came for one day just to see basically how it was going to be, because basically when you're in a tiny house, it is, I only have one cell phone bar. So my phone is not really working, and it's like no TV, no Wi-Fi, no any of that, and which is a good thing because I'm like always on my phone, or we always watching TV, or you know, doing stuff. Now granted, he did bring a TV but we didn't hook it up because we have like this little portable tripod and a TV at the house that we did bring. We were supposed to watch movies, but this is literally like adult camping. Like we had to come in, bring all this stuff, and it's so little in here. I don't know if y'all could, and we got it packed out, all that stuff hanging up. Like you really have to use your space in here. But overall it was a really good fun experience. I would highly suggest, like I would do this like with other like couples or friends or whatever in the summertime. It'd probably be better so that you can like hang out at other people's little tiny houses or whatever, especially in this section that we in. These are pretty much close. So yeah, basically last night after we ate all that food, well, we eat all of it, but we had a nice size meal and we had some desserts. We went to sleep because we was tired, because it took a lot to prepare for this trip, for this small trip, because y'all know I'm so extra. But yeah, we are about to pack up, sit outside for a minute and take a few more pictures and leave. So overall, what would I give the tiny house from a rating of 1 to 10? I probably would give it a strong 8.5 or 9. It is something you have to get used to because it is really not tiny house. Did I just call it? Is that called a tiny house? I mean the getaway house. That's what it's called. The getaway house. I'm calling it a tiny house because I'm obsessed with tiny houses lately. And that's the main reason why I wanted to come do this experience. But yeah. Baby, how did you like the experience?
It was great.
How is it with no TV?
It's my TV right here.
And it's not fair because his damn phone is working and mine is not.